A powerful black panther stalking through the African wilderness, symbolizing mystery, power, and connection to nature.
A mystical unicorn grazing in a field of wildflowers, representing purity, innocence, and enchantment.
A majestic African elephant with its family roaming the savanna, representing wisdom, strength, and family bonds.
A noble lion with a crown on its head, symbolizing the monarchy and strength of the United Kingdom.
A powerful black bear standing tall in a German forest, representing strength, courage, and wild spirit.